guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a beautiful behind the scenes video I shot on my recent trip to Miami with model Donna. Her hair is insane. It is real and it's gorgeous. Her hair is actually what inspired this whole photo shoot. When I saw her pictures, I immediately thought Venus, specifically that iconic scene with Uma Thurman from The Adventures of Baron Munchausen film. By the way, if you haven't seen that film, definitely check it out. It's artsy, weird, and full of beautiful visuals, lots of inspiration. This was my mood board, and I knew that I wanted to just drape some fabric and use it as a dress for this shoot. And I ended up using a piece of sari I bought from Value Village a while ago. I knew this color would look really nice on Donna, and it definitely did. To make this into a dress, I just attached a beaded necklace to one side of the fabric to make a strap, and then I pinned the rest at the waist. It was that easy. I also did make this shell necklace that can also be used as a hairpiece, but we actually ended up using it in a different way, so stay tuned to see exactly how. This is my favorite beach location in Miami, in Virginia Key. It's super quiet and beaches look a lot more natural than something like South Beach.
I love it. So feel free to, so pretty much you can like stay in a similar pose, but feel free to move. So I love when like, I will just shoot around you and you just feel free to like, you know, move a little bit. You don't have to like change the pose every 5 seconds, but just like give me a little movement, you know, so you can like play with your hair, maybe like look a little bit to the side or a different side. That was really nice, like maybe putting both hands like that. Yes, yes. And then I know it's kind of hard because you can barely hear me, but pretty much I'm just shooting the whole time. Okay. And then if I do see something that like I really, really love, I'll tell you to like freeze in that position. Yes. Yes. Exactly. You know what? No, so I'm thinking keep your legs like this, and also if I just want to see your other leg as well, because it almost looks like there's just one leg. Keep your legs here. It looks almost like you have a tail. Just move more with like the hands and the position here up top. And look at me. Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love the hair in the wind. Yes.
When it comes to editing, I used Evoto AI for skin retouch and de-wrinkling of the fabric. I love this program. It really speeds up my editing process and the results look very natural. Then I did lots of color correcting and color grading in Photoshop, and I decided to focus on creating a contrast between the blues of the water and the warmth of the sunset. So I added a lot of cool tones in the shadows and warm tones in the highlights. I changed the color of the dress into more true blue and added lots of yellow and reds in her hair, creating sort of a fake golden hour.
What if I'm thinking, if you put your legs onto this. Okay, here, I'll help you. You have to hold the hair and hold the dress. That's so beautiful. Oh, I love that. Oh my God, I love it. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. You're doing amazing. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Yeah, keep doing that. Yeah, no, you're doing amazing. Oh, I love that. That's a beautiful, beautiful pose. Yes, that was, I loved like the shape that you did with your body. That looked amazing. Yes. Okay, and now one more. So you see these two rocks right here. Now pretend that you're like holding on to these rocks and you're like about to, almost like it's gonna look like you're getting stuck on everything, your hair. Okay, so yeah, just put like both of your hands on this rock. Yes, yes, yeah, exactly, exactly. It's like you're getting out of the water through the rocks to see. Yes. Exactly, you got it. Take maybe just a little bit of that hair from this side, just so it doesn't cover your face. Yes. Yes. You are a mermaid. Oh, I love that shape. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous shape, yes. Love it, love it. Yes, keep moving, keep moving. Yes, ooh, ooh, I love that. That's beautiful, that's gorgeous. Yes. Love it. I'm gonna like walk into a rock. Ooh, that is kind of like that aerial like pose, but it looks really good, yes.
Just a little self-promo, Anita Sadowska and I are hosting a 5-day workshop retreat in Bali, March 9 to 14. If you're interested in attending, fill out the form on my website and you'll be one of the first ones to secure your spot when the workshop goes live, as we only have 6 spots available. Link will be in the description.
Yes. Oh, it's really nice here. Can you, like here, but put both your legs kind of again, like kind of like this? Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What if you here go a little bit more? Yeah, yeah. Yes, yeah. That's gorgeous. Ooh, that's beautiful. And kind of look this way. And at me a little bit more. Oh, that's gorgeous. What if you, so here, give me more of your back here. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's stunning, stunning, stunning. Even stay there, don't move. Yes, I will do it just like a little bit. Oh, you have all sorts of things stuck to your hair now. Okay, there you go. We're almost done for mine, I think. Oh, that's so stunning. Love it. Yes. It's amazing. Yes, yes.
Unfortunately, we lost some behind the scenes footage for this specific shot, but I took that necklace that I mentioned in the beginning that I DIY'd with the shells, and we put it on Donna's shoulder to add some interest to a close-up shot.
Maybe I'll have this now instead. Maybe you can just hold it even. Kind of like, you just have to like hide these. Kind of like, you know, like, kind of like this, maybe something like that. Wow, now the sun is like out.
See? It's always when you want to see.
Oh my God, this is looking crazy. What the heck? Like, look at this stuff. The water is like literally, ooh, that's beautiful, that's beautiful.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This one is one of my favorites in a long time that I've done. So please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, check out all the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!